Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzy. You are welcome to my channel. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So today look will be purple. I start building it by light purple, then go to a little bit darker to the first one, then and the third one was more darker. So applying it like this, we bring the base is more cover from the back side to your skin. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Like, it's different than when you just apply only one eyeshadow. So to wipe it, if you don't want to use many brush, like today I was not ready to use about up to 10 brush, I just wipe it in a tissue paper, use it to clean the upside so that it will be neat. You will not just have this ash color. Then I will go to eyeshadow base. I'm going to be using a little bit glitter, because without this eyeshadow base, glitter will fall out and it will fall all over my face. I don't want that. I just apply a little bit of eyeshadow base, the place I just want glitter to just stick to, so it will be very easy like that. Then using eyeliner is compulsory and is good because of when you install your eyelashes, because your eyelashes is dark, is not going to pronounce like where the eyelashes just where you glow it. So the eyeliner and eyelashes will just glue together, and that place will be dark, because if you look down, it's not going to show where the line of eyelashes just pass.
For a bad man, see the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for.
So moving to mascara, I will use mascara to stand my natural eyelashes. So if I install eyelashes, so it will be more stand. I have a video before to apply eyelashes. You can go back and watch it, or you can leave a comment down below. I should do it again. So I will be using face studio primer to prime my face. Then I will be using shimmer drop to just because I'm going to full coverage today, I will just apply that my cheekbone down of my cheek or whatever they call it. So just bear with me and know my forehead where I just want to highlight after finish. So the foundation I'm using, I'll be using Perfect Match, and I think the foundation I use MAC. So I'm just recording again because of my case. I can't just be recording, the noise of the background will be too much, so just bear with me guys. Then dab. You just need to dab because of up, so that if I dab it, it will not clean. So I just have to swipe it little bit. So I will be using L.A Girl Concealer. Yeah, L.A Girl Concealer. I will just like apply it under my face, my nose, down of my nose, my cheek, my forehead, where I'm going to highlight. Then I will use a beauty blender to blend it and smooth. I wet it. It was very soft. If you don't wet it, it will be too dry. So wetting it will make it more like very soft. Very soft. Is not going to take all the product you apply on your face. I will use a dark concealer to conceal on my nose, down cheek, forehead, and blend it. I will be using banana dip baking powder to bake under my eye where I highlight before. I will bake exactly same place.
Dropping the low for a bad man, nah, 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 nah. Ginger me, how they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl there.
I will use a dark lead to lead under my water eye to that place will be dark. Then I will go back to brush again and take the purple and use it to smoke under my water eye, so it will blend together, like up and down will blend together, so it will not just have only that black under. Then use mascara under my eyelashes so that it will stand. Then I will be using my natural lip gloss. This lip gloss is from Migros, where like shopping shop. I just throw it at my thing, and this is what I use all the time. Why the color is different? The color is not like that because I apply foundation all over my mouth, so I blend everything together, apply this one, make that color pop out. Then I will just use brush to clean that place. Highlight under my cheekbone. I always highlight only my cheekbone, not all the time. I don't like too much that sharp highlight. My forehead, my nose, and the corner of my mouth where I laid. So I will finish the look with face spray. So guys, here is the final look of the makeup. So very easy and not too much dramatic makeup. Please, as I said before, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and stay blessed, and God bless you all. Bye.
The nigga says she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make ya look back. Move that, way I move that.